Well, I was just heading out for a walk. I've been crook since we went fishing last Saturday, and today I'm just like, I gotta get out and go for a walk. So I walk out by the, just up on the river here and by the bridge, and I see a big workup of kahawai under the bridge, seagulls diving in. So I grabbed my, I've just grabbed an old fly rod setup I have here with a sink tip line, and it still has a crystal white bugger on it from years ago, because I used to go down the wharf all the time when I had time. And I don't even know if the reel is seized or what, but I'll find out shortly, because I'm going to put a bugger in the water and see what happens. I do, you know, a fair bit of ocean fishing these days, so I don't need to come down here and catch a feed of kahawai. And my son used to be keen to do it, but he's 14 now and I don't know, going his own way and not so keen. I tried to teach him to come down here by himself, but I don't think he has. So yeah, here we are at the Warren Cole Parkway, cycleway, walkway, whatever they want to call it. This kahawai are probably gone already, but they were just under the bridge. It was impressive looking. And I do find they're really hard to catch during bright sunshine in the river. Still tastes like salt. The last time I put it in the water, which is yonks ago, let me tell you. Yonks. Oh, there's some activity out there. The seagulls are on it. Look, they're trying to eat my bloody... So it's clear that there's probably young sprats or something. Could be whitebait, but probably the young sprats of the year. So, once I get myself sorted here, my old plan with the sinking line, because I get a real good cast out and I'll let that sucker. The seagulls want to eat it, so the seagulls believe my fly. I'll let her sink down, and I don't find with kahawai that a slow presentation does the trick. I'll give it a few twitches and wiggles as it sinks down, and I'm just gonna strip like mother. It's a good sign to know the kahawai are in here. I don't know if the big ones or little ones or what, but I mean, the other option for this is go grab a spinning rod and chuck a big spinner around, but maybe later. There we go. There we go. Look at that. That's too cool. It's only a little fella, but you know what? It's lunch. No matter how you slice it, that's lunch. Oh look, there's ones with them. This is great. That means I might get another one. Little kahawai, that's a beautiful thing. Here I am in nice clothes and stuff, but well, nice walking clothes, but not fishing clothes. All right, let's get you knocked on the head. Sort him out in a minute. The trick is just getting them to see what you got on offer. But that's one. I need a couple more to have a feed. Easier said than done, but it was cool seeing the other ones chase them in. That was cool. I didn't even do anything. I just left it out there sinking and he took it. That's a good sign. Oh, yeah, bugger. Oh, yeah, a little bigger. I was coming out for a walk like you guys, and then I saw the kahawai under the bridge and ran home and got my rod. Well, that's two.
What are you catching?
Garth. Yeah, I was going for a walk and I saw the bloody work up under the bridge. So I ran home and got my fly rod. Yeah, well, I haven't done this in a while. I thought, why not?
Yeah.
Catch me a feed.
I've actually only in the last kind of 6 months or so, I've got those videos back. I found out where they were and
Oh yeah.
I pulled them out and put them on my phone again.
Oh, that's...
It was a cool video. And then the one with you, John and Keith.
Yeah.
The 2016,
That's
2017.
The 17 one is the one that got all the views, eh?
Yeah. Oh, good to see you, Dave.
No worries, Garth. Good to see you too, man.
Yeah. Oh, you're looking bloody healthy, man.
Thank you. That's good. That's a good sign. Here we are back in the metropolis of Whakatane. Let's see, I'll put the fly rod here. So I'm probably going to use it again. I'm going to sit in the kahawai there. This guy in the fridge. Let him chill down. I might just carry on and do my walk. And there you go. There's another way to do it. You can just slab it right off. A small kahawai, you can do that. It'll be quicker this way with the small ones. So we'll get that line in there. Bones. So either way, just another piece. As compared to doing it this way. It's probably easier doing it that other way. Either way, and if I had some wasabi, which I don't think I do, I would have done raw fish with it, because it'd be perfect for that. But oh well. 4 little fillets. Let's get the oil hot. Ah, yeah, we do have a lemon ready. Very cool. Just a bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder and garlic and herb stuff. And honestly, we don't need to crumb or do anything with this stuff. We just put her in here and give it a quick fry in olive oil. Like I said, if I had the bloody wasabi, and this will not take long at all. Keep that set for a minute. Ooh. A little bit of lemon. That is delicious. Doesn't really get much fresher than that. And there we go. Fish frames. Go in there and feed my next cabbage. Yay.